love for your MOAs. What do you think Akin Yan means?
It's easy. I love you.
Anybody else?
Maybe you're mine? Or I choose you. You got my heart. 저는 한번 필리핀어로 말해보겠습니다.
For me, let me try it in Filipino.
Let's shoot it on!
뭐 할 기타.